Hey guys, this is going to be a really quick video because I didn't actually intend on creating a video, but someone asked me how I did this hairstyle. And since I'm preparing my hair for bed now anyway, I figured I'd just pop on and show you how I do it. First of all, I do not use any product, not really any product. What I am going to do is smooth some of my Olaplex number 7 on the ends of my hair. And that's basically all I'm going to do as it relates to product. I will use an oil only on the ends just to fortify the ends of my hair. I'm not going to say moisturize because oils do not moisturize no matter what people tell you. They help lubricate the hair and they can help strengthen the hair. So I am obviously starting on straightened hair. I straightened my hair and I will be sharing that in a future video. Actually, I may have already shared it. I'm not sure. It depends on when this video goes up. But essentially, all I'm doing is creating Bantu knots on my hair. That is how I created this style. So because I don't have extremely dense hair, this is going to be really simple. I don't use a lot of sections. I have a permanent part right here. As you can see, it's pretty permanent. I don't need to part. And then what I do is I will take this. I do want to make sure that my hair is extremely detangled, which it is already. Because, you know, when you Bantu knot, you want to make sure that you have no tangles at all. So, and then I always twist going away from my face. So I'm twisting like this, and I'm also smoothing my hair down as I am not even twisting, twining, I guess you could call it. Like this, and then I begin to wrap it around. It's going to take me needing to twist like this, and as I go around, I'm twining again. Twining. I feel like I have some loose hair going on here. That's because my hair, when it's straight, it's hard to tell how much of it is actually in the knot. Okay, so if I were doing this on more stretched and not straightened hair, I could kind of like lock it in place and it pretty much stay. But because I did straighten my hair, I'm using scrunchies. And I don't have this very tight because when I go to sleep, if it's too tight, it'll pull at the scalp. So I'm just going to now add this satin. Yeah, there you go. Then I will take this section and I'm going to split this. Actually, I'm not going to split this into anything. I'm going to take this because, again, my hair is not very dense. You see, that's not a lot of hair. I can twine that section and make it its own Bantu knot. Sometimes I will do 3 on each side, but for that style, I believe I only did 5 because my hair is parted on this side. I'll do 3 on this side and then 2 on this side. And so, again, just making sure that it's very detangled. One thing to note is because I work from home, these will stay like this for probably 2 or 3 days, which is why I can get away with not using any product. But yeah, I will go to Pilates with these in my hair. And it's funny, my Pilates teacher, she said, are you going to be able to lay down in those? And I wanted to just be like, girl, bye. Clearly, I'm laying on the back of my head, not the sides. Making sure it's detangled. Twining it around. And sometimes I will actually make this a little bit too tight and then I just have to loosen it. But I'm trying not to make it too tight. There. Yeah, I think I want to put this one that matches in the front here. Because like I said, I do go out and do the Pilates with it. So then what I'll do is I'll take what's left of this and split it in two, twisting, twining away from my face. And the last section, make sure I got all my hair in here. Again, I don't part or anything like that. It's not necessary. It doesn't even have to really be even sections, because once I take them out, all I do is use my fingers to rake and go. But smoothing. My son is in the background there. Please excuse him. He loves playing with pillows. Okay. Like I said, as I'm doing this, I'm twining this as I'm going around in a circle until I can twine no more. And then I add the scrunchie. And because these scrunchies are brand new, courtesy of Rev Air, they have all of the elasticity. And then I will put on this beautiful satin bonnet to go to bed. Cover it up. Pretty much stay on my head while I'm sleeping. But that's it. This is a very simple, like, little nighttime routine that I do when I have my hair straightened, that yields those beautiful, soft, curly, wavy, like, curls. But that's it. Thanks for watching. Good night.